The SakerPlus Steam Cleaner has been widely advertised as a revolutionary household cleaning tool, especially through social media ads that show dirt and grease vanishing almost instantly. While this marketing has attracted a lot of attention, customer reviews reveal a more balanced reality. Many users felt underwhelmed by its performance, stating that the steam output was weak and not nearly as powerful as shown in promotional videos. Some even mentioned that wiping with a simple cloth gave better results, which left them questioning the value for money. Durability is another concern, as a few customers reported that the device stopped working after only a few uses. Additionally, customer service and returns have been points of frustration, with some buyers claiming that refunds were difficult to secure. On the positive side, a number of customers did appreciate the SakerPlus Steam Cleaner for quick, light-duty cleaning tasks, such as refreshing countertops, mirrors, or small crevices where traditional cleaning tools struggle. Its lightweight design and quick heat-up time make it convenient for everyday touch-ups, and since it uses steam instead of harsh chemicals, it appeals to those looking for eco-friendly or child and pet-safe cleaning solutions. However, for heavy-duty jobs like removing tough kitchen grease, deep-seated grime, or sanitizing large areas, most users agreed that it falls short compared to professional-grade steam cleaners. Overall, the SakerPlus Steam Cleaner can be a handy tool if you're looking for a compact and chemical-free way to handle light cleaning jobs around the house. But if you expect it to replace deep cleaning tools or match the results shown in advertisements, you may end up disappointed. It's best viewed as a supplementary cleaning device rather than a complete solution.